Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today is my first update for my Partners in Cream project pen. So, as you have maybe noticed, I'm a bit late for this update because my work has been super duper crazy in the last weeks and I have to go on a lot of work trips which I didn't know before, and I didn't know that I don't have any time to film or edit anymore, but I really try to squeeze filming and editing between my work trips and also take them with me on my work trips. So, I try my very best, but I'm really trying to not miss any updates because I really want to work on these products, show you the progress, and I don't want to skip an update. So I really try my very best, so please keep that in mind. I'm very sorry for the late update, but at least I have some great progress to share with you. So at first, this project has been started by Steph Lyons and DaLin, and I have both of them linked in my description box so you can check them out and their videos and check out all of the other ones who are doing this project. So it's a pretty big project on YouTube at the moment and I do absolutely love it. So now I would say let's jump right into the update. Now let's start with my highlighter from the Body Shop. It's the Honey Bomb Highlighter Dome, and I did use it sometimes, but I didn't use it that much and I didn't bring it on my work trips, and so that's the reason why I didn't really use it a lot, and the same will be going on in the next month. So I hope that I can show you some progress here. So I feel like it's a tiny bit, I used up a tiny bit of product, but not a lot, but I think I used it maybe 5 times in the last month. So I feel like I can have a lot of progress really fast with this one. So if I just keep using it like 5 times each month, it will be done in, I think, maybe 4 months or 5 months. So I'm really not worried about this one, and it's a nice body highlighter. I enjoy using it, but yeah, it's just not a necessity for me, so I don't bring it on work trips with me. So this stays home, and whenever I'm at home, I just use it when I want to. But it's a nice product on my body, and I do enjoy it. Now let's talk about my blush and my highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Seduce Blush Pretty Use Glow Filter. And let me show you the inside. It's very exciting. I hit pan in both of them. It was actually pretty fast after I filmed my intro video, so I think I only used it maybe 2 or 3 times, and then I did hit pan in both of them at the same time. So I always use them together. That's why I have kind of the same amount of progress in both of them. And I think for this one, my first goal was to just hit pan in it, but I think I want to keep it in the project. I don't think that I want to use it up completely, but I want to have just more progress than this one. So I think I will leave it in the project for the first 3 months and then I will roll it out, or maybe I'll leave it in for half a year. I'm not really, I haven't decided yet, but I want to just have a bit more progress in this one. I do love both of them. I take them with me when I go on my work trips, so it's kind of the only blush that I take with me, and it's perfect for traveling, and it's very easy to use for me because it's a very soft wash of color, and I do really like this formula because it's more like a cream to powder, and I feel like it blends out so nice and so evenly, and yeah, it's perfect for me at the moment, so I will keep it in the project for now. Now let's talk about my e.l.f. lipstick. So you can see here, I have marked it. So you can see here that the top line is where we started and the bottom line is where we are at now. So I did use up quite some product and I'm very excited for that. And the best thing about it is, let me just tell you what the product is. So it's the e.l.f. Sheer Slick lipstick in the shade Grapefruit. I just roll it up so that you can see it. So this is when it's completely rolled up here. I have discovered something great about this lipstick. So the shade has always been a bit too neon-y for me. It's a very neon pink. And I don't really like it on my lips. I don't know what it is about it. I feel like on my hand now it looks way better than it ever looked on my lips. So it's just this shade. I love the formula. I have a lot more shades from this in this formula because I love it so much. So it's really not a formula issue. It's just a shade. Here it looks nice, and on my lips it looks so light, bright, and neon-y. I just don't want to use it. And what I discovered is that I can mix it with another lipstick from the same line, and it's this one here. It's the shade Golden Pear, and this one here is very warm toned, and it's often a bit too warm toned for me. So this is what this one here is looking like. But when I mix them together, it creates a beautiful, I don't know, light reddish color, and it's perfect for me. So I love mixing them together. So that's what I'm doing from now on. I just use them together, and it's perfect. It's a perfect color combination. I don't know why I always forget that you can mix and match all the colors that you have in your collection. You don't have to just use one product at each time. You can just mix them together and create your own perfect colors. I mean, I know that, and I never do it. So I feel like it's a thing I want to do more in the future. And this one here is the perfect example, because now it's my perfect shade. I love it. I can use it every day. I don't have to force myself to use it. I just enjoy it. And so this one here will be staying in the project until I have used it up, and I think that the other one will help me a lot in achieving it. Then here is my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, and I was able to hit pan in this one here. You can see it here. You can see it's a super deep char, so I already had a pretty good dip going in this one, so it didn't take me long, but I feel like the next step is to use this thing up. So I want to keep it in the project, and I think I want to have it in the project for the whole year, because I want to use it up completely, because I feel like if I don't use it up this year, I have to declutter it by the end of the year, because it's getting really old and I don't know for how long I can use it. So I want to keep going with this one. So let's see how much progress we can have. And yeah, it's staying in the project. Then the last product here is my Liquid Camouflage Concealer from Catrice. And you can see here, we started at this line and now we are here. So it's a bit hard to see because it has, you know, a lot of cracks you can see into it, but you cannot really see where the product ends. And to be honest, I cannot really see it as well, but I'm just guessing that we're around here. Maybe we have used up a bit more, but I feel like the real challenge will be that when, you know, when we're down here and I cannot reach the product anymore, then I have to take out the stopper, and then we will be able to use up everything that is on the side here. So I feel like maybe there's even more product in it than we can see now by this line, because there's so much on the sides. But I feel like the progress is perfect with this one, so it will take me around 2 more months to use it up, and that's perfect. So this one here will be staying in the project, and I'm trying to use it up completely. And that's it for my update for today. You can see we have a lot of progress, but nothing is quite finished yet, or at least I wanna keep working on these products here, and I'm very excited for the progress I can make in this product, because I feel like I really want to use up some products this year, and this project really helps with that. And I'm very excited to see how much more I can use this lipstick now that I have found, you know, my new favorite shade that I've created myself. So that's it for today. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out Steph and DaLin in my description box. And thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day.